Yan ba yan? Baka hindi yan yun. Oh, kasi nagsusunod ka kay mami, nag-i-sleep ka. Lagi, araw-araw, may gift ka. Candy. Tapos ngayon, yan naman.
Candy, Mommy. Mommy, candy.
But you need to listen to ate, ha? If she says stop or if you say go or money like that, you need to listen. Kailangan sa loob ng facilities. Design lang mo.
I said my heart. What's the heart? What's the heart?
Tap your knees. Tap your knees. Tap your knees. Ilakad yan. Very good. O, dito lang ha. Hindi pwede sa tiles. No po.
Hindi pa muna.
Here lang muna. O, go. Walk. O, tap your knees. Tapos, mag-watch ka lang. Matututunan niyo yung management. Asan tablet mo? Oh, tap your knees. Yan. When you feel that you will fall backward, you need to tap your straight your arms. Ganyan mo yung arms mo. Wait lang, ito tayo. Ano ba ito? Are you happy?
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, baby.
Mommy, can I go outside?
Walk, walk, tap your knees.
Amari, you know already, Amari? Wow, very good. Very good naman si Amari.
Atara, now you might get her. Tita Mitch.
Pero, sabay kayo, dali. Just walk, walk, tap your knees.
Look at Ate.
No running, Amari, ha? Okay? No running. Walk, walk. Ah,
Straight body, ah.
straight lang.
Ganun, ah. Makukuha ka. Straight body lang.
Yan. Oh, go. Sige, slide mo. Slide konti. Good job, Amari. Hayaan mo lang siya para makuha niya.
Makahawak eh.
Yan.
Oh, dito.
May pupo.
I want to know.
Okay, mami naman. Tap your